Buffalo is the second largest city in the U.S. state of New York, behind only New York City, and the seat of Erie County. It is at the eastern end of Lake Erie, at the head of the Niagara River, and is across the Canadian border from southern Ontario. Before the 17th century, the region was inhabited by nomadic Paleo-Indians who were succeeded by the Neutral, Erie, and Iroquois nations. In the early 17th century, the French began to explore the region. In the 18th century, Iroquois land surrounding Buffalo Creek was ceded through the Holland Land Purchase, and a small village was established at its headwaters. In 1825, after its harbor was improved, Buffalo was selected as the terminus of the Erie Canal, which led to its incorporation in 1832. The canal stimulated its growth as the primary inland port between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic Ocean. Transshipment made Buffalo the world's largest grain port of that era. After the coming of railroads reduced the canal's importance, the city became the second largest railway hub, after Chicago. During the mid-19th century, Buffalo transitioned to manufacturing, which came to be dominated by steel production. Later, deindustrialization and the opening of the St. Lawrence Seaway saw the city's economy decline and diversify. It developed its service industries, such as healthcare, retail, tourism, logistics, and education, while retaining some manufacturing. In 2019, the gross domestic product of the Buffalo Niagara Falls MSA was $53 billion. The city's cultural landmarks include the oldest urban park system in the United States, the Albright Knox Art Gallery, the Buffalo Philharmonic Orchestra, She's Performing Arts Center, the Buffalo Museum of Science, and several annual festivals. Its educational institutions include the University at Buffalo, Buffalo State College, Canisius College, DeUville University, and Moody College. Buffalo is also known for its winter weather, Buffalo Wings, and two major league sports teams, the National Football League's Buffalo Bills and the National Hockey League's Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo is served by the Buffalo Police Department. The police commissioner is Byron Lockwood, who was appointed by Mayor Byron Brown in 2018. Although some criminal activity in the city remains higher than the national average, total crimes have decreased since the 1990s. One reason may be the gun buyback program implemented by the Brown administration in the mid-2000s. The city was part of the nationwide crack epidemic of the 1980s and 1990s and its accompanying record-high crime levels. In 2018, city police began wearing 300 body cameras. The Buffalo Fire Department and American Medical Response, AMR, handle fire protection and emergency medical services, EMS, calls in the city. The fire department has about 710 firefighters and 35 stations, including 23 engine companies and 12 ladder companies. The department also operates the Edward M. Cotter, considered the world's oldest active fireboat. Buffalo has a strong mayor-council government. As the chief executive of city government, the mayor oversees the heads of the city's departments, participates in ceremonies, boards and commissions, and is as the liaison between the city and local cultural institutions. Some agencies, including utilities, urban renewal and public housing, are state and federally funded public benefit corporations semi-independent of city government.